Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can unlink different applications and integrations with your Lucidchart account. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your account on Lucidchart, log into it, click into your profile icon in the top right and select account. Settings. Here, navigate to Lucidchart at the top and select apps and integrations on the left panel. And here what you want to do is go through that list of linked integrations like Slack, for example, other websites or applications like Google Drive. I will go with Google Drive for the sake of this tutorial. And if the given application has been given or granted access to or to communicate with your, or permission to communicate with your Lucidchart account, you will see the unlink button here. Click into it, confirm, wait for a brief moment, and after that Google Drive or the given application will be disconnected from a Lucidchart account. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.